What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Prophet. Welcome back to the process. I got some new parts in today. I got my new tire from my 22-inch Irocs. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the tire shop and get this boy mounted. Then get two of my wheels balanced. And hopefully get these tires and wheels on my car today. So I can go ahead and start phase 2 of KANDI under construction. So let me show y'all what's going on real quick. Because remember, I was saying that I wanted to get this tire so I can match. I wanted to match up the tread because it had one mismatched tire. Let me turn some lights on this here. It's too dark. What's up, KANDI baby? I'm finna wake you up, girl. Get you back out here. She ain't even been started up, man. Probably about 2 weeks. Neglecting my girl. Uh-oh, I'm showing y'all too much. Like I was saying, I wanted to have all my tires matching. So these right here are my two front wheels. And as you can see, the tread matches up. And that's probably about 50 or 60% tread left on these tires, which is good. And this one here is my other rear tire alongside the new one. So you can see how that matches up. See that same tread pattern? And you see how thick this tire is brand new compared to this one. It's probably about, like I was saying, 50 or 60% like tread life, which is good. You know, I'm not worried about that, but compared to how this was looking, see that tread pattern? Plus this tire had like a big old bubble on the sidewall right here, so I didn't trust that. So it was best to just go ahead and get me a new tire. So now I'm gonna just go up to the wheel and tire shop and get that tire put on, and I'm getting two wheels balanced. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on my girl and see how she look. And this is just phase 2. I got some more to do. I got some more changes I'm finna make. I'm finna tweak a few things, and y'all will see, man. Just stay locked in, you know. Y'all know how I get down. I'm finna put some work in. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm down here at the tire shop. Finna get my camera set up so I can get some footage. Hope they don't flip out. People get scared when they see a camera come off for some reason, man. I don't understand it, but that's why I use my my phone most of the time, because they don't really get scared when they see that. They still want to know what you're doing while you're recording this, but it ain't the same thing as using the camera. They flip out, so we shall see. So let me go over here and get this going for y'all. Fire! Well, I'm just getting one mounted and two balanced.
Okay. Oh, you're getting one mounted?
Yep, just one tire mounted.
Which one?
This one here.
Okay.
It's flat. It's flat.
Hey, we're gonna balance that one.
Balance it?
Yeah, we're gonna do that one.
Righty. I locked my keys in the car. Gonna get my joints mounted. Need two hands for everything. So that wheel had a slow leak around the back wheel.
Okay.
The rim.
The first one I took out?
The one that's flat, yeah. The second one. This one here.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta
It's all cracked and dry rotted.
Titty inside the tire and shit too, yeah. Just check the rim off on the when you put the tire
So
off.
that tire's going in that wheel. Let's get rid of that. God, I love these wheels.
I do too. They were hard to find, man.
I know, and
it took me a year
everybody
to find
when
these.
you try to find them now on Marketplace, everybody wants 1,500 or more used.
I was just trying to all the way to Indiana to get those.
I'm trying to get a set for my 03 Blazer.
I got a 92 Camaro from there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm recording for my YouTube channel right now, so I got the camera out, so hope you don't mind.
Not a problem.
Martin's Tire, downriver Michigan, like not too far from Taylor, Michigan. And this guy told me to come check out his race car he had out front. So that's what I'm doing right now. You know, that's different. I've never seen a race car like that before. I say Rebel Racing Customs, graphics and tees. Alright. Anyway, I pull it right up, pop the trunk, and they get me together. So let me go ahead and get this business taken care of now. Alright, so I'm back in the lab. I'm starting to bolt these Irocs up. It just rained, so I had to stop what I was doing, but I got the front two wheels already on. This is just my test fit for the most part. I want to bolt these up and see how they look, see how they fit. And I'm trying to avoid using these spacers. My man gave me these spacers too. I know sometimes you gotta put them on the back to keep from rubbing. You can kind of see where my 24s is already rubbing at, right here. But I don't know, the front don't look that bad. What y'all think? Got a whole different stance to it, even though it's jacked up right now. But my only concern is if it's kind of in that wheel well too much. You see, like, it's kind of hard to see the wheel from the front. That wheel should kind of be coming out right beneath this fender. I'm gonna say about right here, maybe about another inch and a half sticking out. So I'm gonna mount all four of them up without the spacers, see how it looks. Oops. And then I guess just go for a little ride and get my man made up. If I do use these spacers, I'm definitely going to go by the hub spacer that goes like a hub ring that goes in the middle of these spacers. For example, see that big gap? This should be riding right on your hub. You know, because a lot of times when you just bolt these up to your studs, they'll come off. The studs will break. Something crazy. It ain't really that safe. So I'd rather have that spacer in between here before I put these spacers on there. You know. So anyway, let me go ahead and get all four wheels mounted and then see how she look. Okay, so I'm back with all four of these wheels mounted. So now I'm gonna just do my little walk around and see if I like what I see. And I don't know, man. They look good. I mean, it ain't the same as them Ruchis, but she got a good clean stance to her. I think these wheels should stick out a little bit further than what they are. Like, they kind of in the body too much for me. I don't know. I'm used to like having a wider look, like a wider tire. But what y'all think? I mean, she definitely clean. It's just that paint job, man. I'm patting myself on the back still. And I ain't even done. I got like 3 more things to change to kind of make this whole little remodel, I should say, makeover, like all kind of go together. But yeah, I don't know. I guess I ain't really used to how this look with those kind of wheels on the car. So I don't really like feel too comfortable, but I still might try those spacers to see what kind of look that give me. You know, they on the hub. They look good. But now I'm gonna go for a drive and take a few pictures so I can get the whole full visual, so I can do some more brainstorming. And while I'm at it, let me show y'all one more thing. I'm not gonna have anything, but I'm gonna have one major step I'm finna take, but I'm gonna disclose everything else, man. I ain't gonna be petty. So you see I pulled everything off, man. No more Ruchi steering wheel. I went with one of these Forever Sharp steering wheels off eBay. You see that? I was hoping this blue would be more of a blue that matched my car. I mean, even though my color is a custom color, man, but that blue still kind of hit together. You know, subtle detail, I guess you could say. But I'm mad because I actually didn't get the column part that goes behind the steering wheel, the sleeve. I thought it would come with the steering wheel, but it's sold separately. So now I'm waiting like 3 days for that to come in the mail. Hopefully it get here before the Woodward Dream Cruise. But, so I'm changing that. New wheels. 2 more things gonna get changed out. And that's gonna be the end of my phase 2 remake. You know? So let me go ahead and do a little test drive and then come back and see what my next plan gonna be. Alright, so I'm out here doing my little test drive. And the girl ride good, that's for sure. Ain't no more rubbing. I don't feel no shaking. Them bumps feel a little bit softer. You know, I mean, the ride is good, man. The look is good. For phase 2, I think we good. You know what I'm saying? So, again, what y'all think? Look at that paint. See how that sun hitting off my paint job? Anyway, I gotta go in here and buy a few things, and then I'm gonna get my girl back to the garage, and then it's back to the drawing board so I can figure out my next phase. So tell me what y'all think. Should I leave it like this? I'm finna change 2 more things, keep in mind, but should I leave these wheels exactly how they are now and just ride? Or try to just go ahead and do what I do, man, go a step further. So, you know, let me know. Leave y'all comments right now. And like I always say, make sure y'all like this video. Leave me a comment, share it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. And stay locked in for phase 3. I got something nasty in mind. I want to bring that paint out a little bit more, man. So stay tuned in, subscribe. Let me get these numbers up. Let's get to it, baby.